Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and we're looking at a lovely parrot.
That's not funny. Like, it's actually not funny.
The parrot's just chilling out,
Because of this guy?
and right now we're in an indoor garden. Take a look at that banana tree. Lots of plants, lots of flowers. I'm hoping that parrot will turn around and say hi. Here's some more plants. Here's another look at the parrot. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Whoops, I'm going to move you. Hi, parrot. Thank you for showing up. That parrot's just chilling out right now. Right. That parrot's really grooving. Thanks for watching my video.